Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Yes guys, I'm here again to share very vital and important information. It is a breaking news. Yes guys, it is a breaking news. It don't happen, no. It don't really happen. Few months ago, if you can recall back, a group of Biafrans, should I say supposedly Biafrans, gang up against Simon Ekpa when he posted the plan of having a head office of the Biafra government in Exile in US. There's a lot of fight from left, right, up, down, center, wherever you may think of, going towards to the dragon, the PM of the Biafra government in Exile. The Prime Minister himself, Simon Ekpa, received series of attacks from those that you may even think that he is with them, that they are working together, they love him and all that. Suddenly all of them turn against him, fighting him. Oh my goodness, it was like a hell. People were watching, some of us that are watching from behind, some of us that are not into the the organization. What I mean by organization, the government, the different government in exile itself, that are not cabinet member. Some of us that don't even know what is going on. We are just reading the post, reacting towards it and all that. We are confused because we don't know who to believe. They went to the office. That when Simon Ekpa released the address of this office, that has not been renovated or put in place for public to consumption, but they copied the address. They landed there making posts. One of them even removed the Biafran flag there and all that, mocking Simon Ekpa, mocking everyone that in alliance with Simon Ekpa, ready to fight and backbite and all that. To the extent they brought one that claimed to be one of the U.S. Marine soldier or whatever, or is it soldier, or is it U.S. soldier or something like that? I've forgotten what he said his title may be. Then that one was there also attacking and bashing, simple because Simon released the address. They say that it's a lie, he cannot do anything, that he couldn't afford it, that this house is a residence, is someone's residence home. They have contacted the owner and all that. It was going on and on and on. Then Simon kept quiet, and sometimes he reacted by posting inside the building. They said no, it's a Photoshop, no, the emblem that he put in the picture, it wasn't there. It was like a hell. Those who know what I'm talking about. People were like, what is going on? Is this true? Is it not? Reaction from everywhere. Today, after months, although someone made it clear then that the whole thing is still under construction, they said no, that is not true. Nobody believed, nobody want to listen to him. Now he have shocked everyone. Here is the picture. You can see the picture, today's own, as they play the show. You are seeing it. My goodness, people can learn from this. Sometimes your reaction may be so wrong and you may put yourself into a problem due to your reaction or the way you perceive something that you don't have clear picture or information about. Sometimes it's good for you to fold your hands and wait and listen to know the outcome. Now you have proved everyone wrong, and they call themselves accountability group and all that. Nobody is seeing them, their posts, and they are anything about them anymore. They are no more going there to make video, blackmail, talk this and talk that and all that. I just want to share this with us because it is a very big lesson to anyone. You can learn this, in your day-to-day activities, because sometimes calmness pay. This is a very beautiful news, very, very nice one for that matter. The one thing I like about Simon Ekpa is that he have this kind of swag, he have this kind of high taste. Once he want to get something, he always go for the best. You can see the environment, you can see how everything is well organized. I say kudos to you guys, those that work on this, those that make sure that things is the way it is today. Those are working behind to push to push the ball, pushing it forward, 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 forward until you get to this extent. Because it's not Simon Ekpa alone that is doing all this, but he is the pillar behind it. Madam Mazoka is another person that is performing very, very, very well, doing a very marvelous work. Like I said, this is my reaction. I'm not a member of the cabinet, but see a good thing, say it is good. It won't do you any harm. Something good is good. We all know that, no matter who did it or who it may belong to. Always appreciate something good so that good things will come to you. Thank you guys. I just want to share this with us. Have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Bye bye.